Hello, welcome to our channel Dive in the Words. Let's dive in the summary. What I wish I knew at 18 instead of 28. How to talk to anyone with ease. Leil Lowndes' book, How to Talk to Anyone, is a game changer. Let's break it down. First impressions? Nail them with confident body language. Eye contact and a genuine smile go a long way. Small talk doesn't have to be scary. Use simple icebreakers and open-ended questions to keep conversations flowing. Next, building rapport. Mirror body language and share personal stories to connect on a deeper level. Active listening is crucial too. Nod, maintain eye contact, and summarize to show you're engaged. Got social anxiety? Lowndes suggests deep breathing and visualizing success. Gradually expose yourself to social settings to build confidence. Finally, sprinkle in humor and use positive language to persuade and influence. Handle tricky conversations with empathy, and you're golden. Transform your social skills with these tips from How to Talk to Anyone and watch your relationships thrive. Hit like and subscribe for more self-help insights. See you next time.